Being a CBD practice, we naturally have a high portion of office workers. Most people seem well aware of the negative impact that prolonged sitting has on their body and health. The aim of this video is to troubleshoot a few key areas of office ergonomics that can help reduce pain and protect your body. The centerpiece of office ergonomics is your chair setup, specifically the height and angle of your chair. Take the time to get this right, as the rest of your office setup relies on this being correct. Firstly, we want a firm, flat seat base. That's the part you actually sit on. This stops your pelvis from rolling backwards and your upper body from collapsing forward. No sponginess and no contours. Contours can often be addressed with a carefully folded towel. Next, we want to create a slight downward gradient on that base. This will mean the back of the seat will be higher than the front. We're only talking a small amount. Judge it by comfort and by improved slump test, and then lock it in if your seat allows that. An Abacus seat wedge may be required depending on your seat adjustability, though sometimes these wedges are too much angle and a folded towel might be the better option. By the way, don't buy one of those useless spongy wedges. They are no good.
Now work on finding the correct height for your seat. Firstly, your hips will need to be higher than your knees, but by how much needs to be observed. Using the slump test, find the sweet spot, the height that your shoulders stay back, your head tall, your chest is proud, and where breathing is full and easy, even after you relax and let your body go. You'll get this beautiful sigh response when you hit that sweet spot. Look out for it. Unfortunately, most people don't have an office chair that goes quite high enough. Just do the best you can and use a wedge or folded towel to help get you there. Finally, the backrest. It should gently support the position you've just created, not create the shape itself. The ideal is to lock your movable backrest to immediately behind where your upright slump has you sit. You should hardly feel your shape change as you gently lean onto it. What you will feel is any remaining tension dissipate. We certainly don't want you to feel it pressing you forward or it require you to buckle your chest to slump back into it. Consider the base of the chair as the key and the backrest as a gentle supportive role. And again, we don't really need a headrest, let alone one that pushes you forward, so let's avoid those altogether.
It's once you've got your seat right, you can set up around it. Get the monitor height to be directly in front of you. Avoid looking down. Do your best. Some setups won't allow this. Others will be okay with the help of a ream of paper or some books. Too high is also an issue. You also don't want to be looking up. You'll find the neck is a good guide here. Find the height of least neck tension. Keyboard should be at a height that allows the shoulders to sit relaxed. By your side. Avoid hiking your shoulders. There is little more scope for keyboard height compared to monitor and seat height. Another thing to be conscious of is not working on laptops without a stand and an external keyboard and mouse unless you absolutely must. Laptops are a real issue. If you're regularly working on one, we strongly advise propping up the screen and getting a wireless keyboard. They are cheap and they save you lots of time and pain by avoiding that troublesome head forward position.
Foot wedges can be useful, especially for short people. Your feet should not be allowed to dangle. They need to be firmly planted, so use a wedge or a box if necessary. Sometimes shorter people will notice they need to move far away from the back of their chair in order to have their feet planted. If that's the case, you'll need to use a pillow or some support to fill the gap between your back and the chair. Again, are not allowing it to push you forward or needing it to tilt you back too much.
Standing desks can be a real asset, but many people look at these as the answer to all of our issues. Their real benefit is actually in just giving us the ability to move between sitting and standing positions. When standing, you also have the ability to use your legs to help hold you more upright. Sitting loses this ability, therefore standing is often a better position, but not always. Feel what's right for you and perhaps move between both regularly to avoid any prolonged positions. The same rules apply for standing desks in regards to monitor height. We've seen too many people go to the effort of getting a standing desk and still look down at their monitor or laptop. This can do more harm than good. Prop up the monitor and it can be a great option.